fresh dispute has emerged between mobile telecoms giant Econet Wireless and the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission (ZEC) after the commission appeared to sideline Econet in its voter registration verification process. Sabida mashoko buda panguva ino pachinzboitika a clash aiwa between Econet and the ZEC, Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. Panguva ino kuonekwa kunzi aiwa panguva ino ZEC yosiyana nezveEconet ndoba subscribe like on the bell icon timira panguva ino mamubudani kwamchizi. In its latest ballot bulletin, ZEC directed prospective voters in Chirezi Road District Council's Ward 4 by-elections to verify their registration status using the *265# USSD code, accessible only via Net1, a state-owned mobile network, or through its online portal. And via the link, the development is raised eyebrows, particularly because Econet commands the largest share of Zimbabwe's mobile subscribers, is estimated at over 70%. ZEC said the commission displays voter rolls 2 days before polling day to enable voters to verify their polling stations. Voters in areas with by-elections can also check their registration status using *265# for Net1 subscribers only or through the online inspection link. The same procedure was implemented during the recent by-election in Ward 14 of Chinhoyi, held this past Saturday, further reinforcing speculation that ZEC is internationally excluded Econet from the process. Observers and civil society groups say the move could disenfranchise thousands of potential voters who use Econet's network, particularly in the rural and the remote areas where internet access is unreliable. However, critics argue that ZEC's decision undermines its constitutional obligation to facilitate universal access to electoral processes. In a country where mobile communication is the primary means of information access for most citizens, they say excluding the largest mobile provider compromises electoral transparency and inclusivity. Ndomashwarubuda panguva ino vanhu panguva ino vaiva vachikweshena this move yaitwa neZEC. Pina comment section menu dzimafunguro enyu muti ndi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.